Does your immune system need an extra boost? Try lipo sachets with...
Oh my god, what was that? Okay, anyways. It's so cold. Oh my god. I want to light myself on fire because it's so cold. Like, I want to be... You can see my room in that thing. And it's a little messy. But I told Mom I cleaned it, so... Oh my god. Yeah. So, I'm gonna read my motivation quote of the day with you guys. Okay, ready? Pain changes people. Some people become rude. Some people become silent. Okay, that one was boring. Tell me when to stop. Okay, cool. My mom once told me, be careful what you hear about a female. Rumors either come from men. Okay, no. We're just gonna go to the end. It says, okay, this one. Everything you do in life is like a boomerang. When you throw it, it eventually comes back. Don't. Okay, wait. You know what? That's okay. I'll make my own motivational quote. Me and Stash will make our motivational quote. YOLO. Yeah. Okay, I do realize I look like a rat. Oh my god. But like, I can't do anything about it because... Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so there's like numbers on this, and it says go 6 out, 6 in, 6 out, and then 5 in. So it's meant to be like, but like I can't breathe. Like they want me to breathe this. What? Okay. Damn, that did not sound like it at all, but it's okay. Guess where I am? At uni. I'll give you a picture. Hey, what the heck is... So guys, I've been trying to grow out my eyebrows because I fucked up. Well, they're getting back to normal, but they used to look like this. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, that's insane. So I'm trying to grow them back, and they're less orange now. Like, fuck. Yeah. Yeah, go turn it off.
See any light?
Someone turn it off.
No.
So loud.
Into at a group of homes, so definitely they're going to tell you what to do, and also
So
I'll be
funny.
here.